If you have any questions, you can ask me related to that course. I can see few people are here.
Sir, please discuss pattern of exam.
Can you just repeat again? I could not understand what you told.
Pattern of exam. Final exam means.
So final exam, what happened? You tell. Actually, your
Am I
voice
audible, sir?
is clear. Now it is audible. You just tell again. Tell me what happened.
Sir, please. Final exam pattern.
Oh, final exam pattern. Okay. Related to that book, actually, you can go for this advanced machining process by VK Jain, or any other book. Uh, you can go for this any other book. It is given in that website. Okay. Now, related to that final exam, it will be short questions type only, multiple choice basically. Okay, so I shall give mostly actually objective type you have to choose from there, and some 2 marks questions will be there. Okay, so that 2 marks question I can give you some numericals. Okay, whatever taught in the class, whatever available in the slide. Okay, you go through that actually that equations, whatever equations are there. It will be very easy kind of thing. Only thing is that actually you have to little bit you have to apply your mind. Okay, so it will be multiple choice type questions. Mostly it will be objective type. Whatever information it is given to the slides. Okay, so it will come from there itself. Okay, and few numericals also I shall give few numericals.
Question will
Okay,
be
any other
asked from
questions?
assignment. Sir, question will be asked from assignment.
Exactly, all the questions will not be asked from the assignment. Few questions I shall give from the assignment, and few questions will be from the slides itself. And what about lectures I have given? So from that lecture itself. Okay. So not exactly from assignment. Few questions
Okay,
obviously
sir.
around 20-30% questions will be from the assignment itself. You can go through that book actually, Advanced Machining Process by VK Jain. So you can go through that book. Okay, any other questions?
Sir, video quality is not good on YouTube.
That is actually because so this video actually it was taken by our NPTEL office, our CET office, okay, at IIT Guwahati long back. Okay, so that's why actually that time that video quality was not there, was not good. Now you can go through that actually whatever lecture slides I have given, whatever this PPT file I have given, you go through that. Okay, so everything is given from so everything is given there itself actually. You go through that actually lecture slides. So that whatever slides I have shared, so you can go through that. All the information is given there itself.
How many
Okay, sir. Thank you.
indication?
Okay, so Manish Kumar, Mr. Manish Kumar.
Yes, sir.
So are you
How,
asking any question?
how many total question in their examination?
Exactly, I cannot remember. I think around 25 to 30 questions will be there. So I cannot remember. So not many questions are there. That format actually I think it is already shared all with all of you. So it is not many questions. Maybe 25 to 30 questions may be there.
And each question having how much mark?
Few questions actually 1 number question and few questions have 2 number question. Okay. So that's why so not many questions are there actually. So it is
And
limited number of questions. It is I think it is given in that NPTEL website. It is available.
all the question are MCQ type.
All questions are MCQ type questions. You have to select that, and few questions will be numerical type questions will be there, and whatever equations are available in the slide, you just follow that slide. And another book is there, actually Advanced Machining Process by Dr. V.K. Jain. You go through that book. Okay, so it will be only whatever equations are given in the slide. From that slide, only from you have to use that equations only, nothing else from other book or other textbook.
And some question have more than one choice.
No,
Their final
that,
examination.
no, that is not more than one choice. Only one single choice is there. Not more than one choice. Only.
Some question in assignment, there are more than one option is correct.
So in NSEM actually it will not be like that. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, tell Mr. Shivam Singh.
Sir, please discuss numerical.
Numerical EDM, I don't know whether EDM it started or not. Electro discharge machining. Okay. So in that EDM process, actually this gap current, gap voltage, those things are there. Like how much energy actually dissipate during sparking. Okay. So in that actually one equation is given, half CV square. C is the capacitance, V is the voltage. Okay. Gap voltage that time, half CV square.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so then in that case, suppose I shall give that actually what is the value of C I have given and V will give. So you have to calculate the what will be the energy dissipated. That thing you have to calculate just, nothing else. So it will be a very simple numericals will be there. Like charging current and charging voltage I have given. Okay, so they are whatever every component will be given there. What is the source voltage, like that everything will be given. You have to calculate what is the charge voltage. Okay. So it will be very simple kind of question. So don't worry. Okay. So most of the questions, maybe 30-40% will come from the assignment as per NPTEL rule. Okay. Other things, some numericals, maybe 5 to 6% or 10% out of this question will be something little bit tough questions, only 10%, and remaining questions will be objective type. And information means you can get from the PPT file. Okay, whatever information is given in the PPT file, that is sufficient, more than sufficient to answer the questions. Okay, so that is more than sufficient to answer the questions.
Sir, are you sure each question having only one choice in a final examination?
I am telling now. So for questions will be only one choice. If it is more than
But in
one
assignment,
choice, I'm sure na,
but
question will be made by me only. You don't worry.
okay.
Only single choice question will be there. Okay, so don't worry. You
Sir,
just go through
discuss
that book.
important question.
Sorry, how can I tell that important questions? You are solving that actually assignments. Okay. So that's what I'm telling na, 30-40% will come from the assignment itself. So assignment, if you solve in your own, then it is fine. Huh?
Sir, how much is the scope of this course if I'm working in a steel industry?
See, it depends on actually the steel industry. Actually, this advanced machining process actually it has many applications in modern industry. Okay, so but still, if you are working on a steel manufacturing industry, then Other than cutting, actually no other scope, I think. Okay. Still, this means after cutting, means after making actually this casting, continuous casting process. When you are cutting the steel, then you are using certain amount of actually heat source. Okay, so maybe you are using laser or plasma arc, cutting, that kind of heat source you are using. Okay, those things will be taught in the class. Okay, so I think you are using plasma arc cutting in continuous casting process. But as such, actually, in steel manufacturing industry, I don't think actually it has application. It is mostly actually in machining area. Okay, in machining area, advanced. So that's the course name is actually advanced machining, where traditional machining process like actually turning, lathe machine, drilling machine, or milling machine does not work. Okay, so in that case, actually, you can use these processes. Okay, so and in every process has certain applications. Like ADM process it has certain application for mold manufacturing industry. ECM process has certain application for making turbine blades. Like actually every process, laser also has certain applications in industry, and there are so many different types of lasers are also there. Okay, so as such in steel industry, other than this plasma cutting, I don't think there is any applications for steel manufacturing industry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Some
Tell.
assignment then problem occurs in final examination.
It is not audible. Please tell again.
Sir, any student skip assignment 0 or any single assignment, then any problem occurs in examination?
I think actually NPTEL people can tell here. So I think out of all these assignments, some average will be there, I think. Okay, so not all the assignments will be counted. Maybe that rule you can see in that NPTEL site. Okay, so if you miss some assignment, maybe out of something, some 8 or 9, maybe few will be considered like that. You have to see that. Okay, so it is a combination of two actually. So if you miss, maybe you will lose few marks. Okay, some certain percentage is there from assignment, and certain percentage is there from your this final exam. Okay, so if you miss one or two assignment, it does not matter maybe.
Yes.
But any of your total marks calculation, there may be some deduction maybe there.
Sir, how many questions will be asked in examination? And how much marks?
That actually right now I cannot remember. So
25 or 30.
maybe 25, around 25, 30 questions will be there. Few questions will be 2 mark questions, and few questions will be 1 mark question, like that. Around 20, 25 questions will be there. Okay. So you go through that book, whatever written in the slides. You read that advanced machining process, that book by VK Jain,
Sir,
and whatever slides are there.
please speak book's name once more.
Huh?
Please speak book's names one more.
Okay, I'm just 1 minute. It is advanced machining processes. Huh? Advanced machining processes. In that chat box, I'm writing that.
Okay, sir.
So I have written there advanced machining processes by VK Jain. And slides are actually more than sufficient. So we go through that slide. I think you got that PDF file of that slide. So you don't need any other thing. So I think it is fine now. So if you don't have any other questions, we can stop here. So next time, during next session, you go through that chapters. Okay, so then you really have any question there, we can solve. We can discuss there. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think you don't have any other question.
Our class எடுப்பாரு ஸ்கிரீன்லாம் தெரியும் இதுல ஸ்கிரீன்ல படம் காட்டுவாரு.
Okay, so you don't have any other question, I think. So we are closing that session.
Yes.
Sir, total marks how many?
Total marks, it will be out of, I think, 100. No? It will be out of 100. So all this marks distribution, it is already given in that NPTEL side. Okay, so everything is given there in the NPTEL side. Just go through that. Still, I am telling actually how much marks is there. Total 25 questions will be there. Total 25. Few questions will be 2 marks and few questions will be 1 mark. It is a
Sir, please write in the chat box. Not audible.
Oh, it is not audible?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Not audible.
You cannot hear me? Oh. Okay, so 25 marks. Sorry, 25 questions.
And
Sir,
total marks,
how
sir?
many marks are there in 25 questions?
Two number each, sir.
Just 1 minute. I'm counting actually. So 15. Sorry. Actually, there are total 50 questions. 50 questions. 50 questions, 100 marks.
Each question 2 marks, sir.
Each question 2 marks are there.
And all are single choice, sir.
I told it is a single choice only. Only single choice only.
How many percent question have come from assignment, sir?
Assignment around 30% will be there.
And sir.
Okay, so from assignment 30-40% will be there. Remaining 60% will be out of assignment. Okay, I think you don't have no other questions. Okay, so we can stop here. Okay, so next time if you have any technical questions, those things you can ask. Huh? Okay then. Bye.
Thank you, sir.